Hello innovators! With the help of an experienced and expert team, Kurious has developed the Robotics Kit designed to offer an in-depth understanding of the fundamentals of robotics and electronics. The Robotics Kit comes complete with all the required components for young innovators to build multiple DIY robotics models with real-life applications. The box comes with an exhaustive manual with an in-depth description of the kits along with detailed DIY projects. The components in the box include the limitless brain board or the kblox board, which is a microcontroller board that controls the working of all the projects that can be made with this unit. Chassis. It is a frame onto which everything, the motors, sensors, wheels, caster wheel, battery, and the kblox board is attached and upheld. BO motors. These motors are lightweight geared motors that give great torque and RPM at lower voltages. Rechargeable battery. A rechargeable battery is furnished alongside the kit utilized to control the kblox board and the motors. Wheels. Sensors including the IR sensor, USB A to B cable, ultrasonic sensor, battery mount, spacers, Allen key, nuts and bolts, and other mechanicals. Multiple projects can be made with this kit, such as LED sequencing that helps you understand the working of the LEDs with the kblox board. It also teaches you how to make simple connections on the breadboard using coding and Arduinoid. Burglar alarm. This project helps you understand the programming and interfacing with the help of microcontrollers and has multiple real-life applications. Line following robot, which is a vehicle that transports material from one place to another in the industries, and multiple other projects. These projects can be made to solve daily life problems, so get ready to bring your ideas to reality and be future ready. For more information, subscribe our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn.